Are you looking for a smart way to start a profitable food business from home? In this video, I will show you how to make a perfect puff-puff for your business. Whether you want to sell to supermarkets, online, or even at the local market, this step-by-step guide will help you to get started. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to mix a perfect puff-puff dry mixture and how to get your measurements right for commercial purposes. And as well, how to package your puff-puff mix for selling. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom, a student, or you're an aspiring entrepreneur, this step-by-step tutorial on how to make this perfect puff-puff mix is for you. Puff-puff mix is in high demand. You can start this business and bring daily income with little or no stress. Hi foodies, this is Oma Cakes and Food, and in this channel we teach you everything that have to do with cakes and food. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you're missing on a lot. Please do well to subscribe, as subscription is free. Before you think of starting off a puff-puff mix business, you have to consider your packaging. You have to get your packaging ready first. This is the first step you have to take if you're venturing into puff-puff mix business, because you need to label your product for people to know that, oh yes, this is what it is. Your product needs to be boldly written puff-puff mix. If it is going to be a pancake mix, you write it, but in this video I'm making a puff-puff mix. Let me know if you would like to see such video for pancake and for buns, and let me know as well where you're watching me from, so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Venturing into puff-puff mix, you have to get everything right. You have to make use of your measurement scale, so that come rain come sun, your customers will always come more for you, because you're always giving them the same thing. Not today it is tasty, next time it is not tasty, it is not delicious. So you have to make use of your measurement scale and master it, so whenever you're doing things you make use of it. So we'll be making use of 1000 gram of flour for this particular recipe. So I'll be doing this 500 because my measurement plate is small, so I will just have to measure it, each of them 500, but measure it into 2, which is 500 times 2 is now 1000, and 1000 gram is the same thing as 1 kg. Foodies, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do well to subscribe. Subscription is free. Turn on your notification bell so that you won't be missing out on the amazing content I dish out for you every week. I know you like what you see and you love to see more amazing content like this, so don't forget to click on the button written subscribe to join this amazing community. Now, as you can see, this is another 500 grams, so that means we've achieved 2 500 grams. We're going to add everything together now to give us 1 kg of flour. So for this recipe, like I said, you're making use of 1 kg of flour. Okay, go ahead to add other ingredients to your mixture. I'll be adding 3 sachets of this milk flavor. But then let's first of all measure it to know what this 3 sachets is going to give us now. You can as well use your powdered milk or any full cream flavored milk that you have around with you. Remember, the secret is to make them come back for more, because you're packaging this now as already made. All they have to do is just to add their water, and onion and fresh pepper might be optional for them. As you can see, these 3 sachets of milk flavor weighed approximately 30 grams. So for my 1 kg flour, I'll be adding 30 grams of my milk flavor. You can increase these depending on the kind of milk you're using. If you're using full cream, you can still make these to be 30 grams, 40 or 50, depending on how yummy you want yours to be. Let's add a nutmeg. We'll be adding 1 sachet of this nutmeg. This nutmeg is approximately to 1 tablespoon of measurements. We will be adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt for taste. Then go ahead to add our yeast. For the yeast, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of this yeast to the 1 kg flour measurement. I hope you know how to make use of your measurement scale very well. So always remember to tear out the previous weight of whatever you weighed before you continue. Now you're making use of 250 grams of sugar. I have a video on my channel that shows you perfect way to make use of a measurement scale and cup. That's why I told you need to subscribe so that you won't be missing out on amazing updates like this. Channel is a place for you if you're a beginner baker, in fact a stay-at-home mom, or love confectionaries. I am here to teach you everything that have to do with cakes and food. That is why my name is Oma Cakes and Food. As you can see, I'm taking much of my time to mix this vigorously in order to mix up everything well. You don't just mix this partially because you won't like your sugar to be one part, your milk one part, your salt one part, and then you're not getting this well, because when it is not mixed well, that means your customers, most customers will get to have the parts that have too much of sugar or too much of salt or too much of milk. So take out your time. This is where you should dedicate your time more. If you have a food processor or cake mixer, you can use this to mix it vigorously. But when you don't have all these, just mix it manually, as you can see. Now it's time for packaging. I use this particular pouch to package mine, and as you can see, I have already branded this pouch. This is a sit down pouch. You can see the base, what the base looks like. So this base helps it to sit down on a shelf after packaging and ready for showcasing. Don't expose your mixture to earth so much. So once you're done mixing, start packaging it immediately, because you won't like your yeast to be weak, and then when your customers make use of it, it won't be active again. So start packaging it immediately and make sure to weigh out all your products. So that is why you need the measurement scale for this, because you won't like to be putting too much for customer A and then you put small for customer B, and then you're making so much loss. You have to make sure that everything is detailed and everything is exactly. Look at how I do my own. I measure out all mine with a measurement scale. I usually do mine 300 grams, but if you feel like, you can do yours 250 depending on how much you want to sell it. I would have said, let me give you the current price for this puff mix, but the way the country is, things are changing drastically every day. So it's better you do your costing, add up everything, the flour, the pouch, the customization, and your time as well. Add it and divide it by the number of packs you get from each of them. One thing with puff mix business is that it is high in demand and it is beginner friendly. It is a business you can start with 5,000 naira, 10,000 or even 20,000 naira and make a whole profit from the first week once you market to the right audience. Your target audience should be working class customers, students, supermarkets, or even event vendors. It is a perfect side hustle for a full-time business owner who wants to turn their skill into a real source of income. After weighing all my products, I have to make sure that all of them is 300 grams. You can see it, right? You can make yours to be 250. So it's nice to weigh out all your products so that all of them will be of the same size. Then at the end, seal up the ziplock and make sure that this is airtight. Like I told you, don't allow air to enter into your product. You can use a sealing machine to seal it after closing or locking this up. And now it will be ready for the market. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more snack business idea, packaging tips and food tutorial. Let me know under the comment section if you would like to see how I market and price my puff mix business. Don't forget to turn on your notification for more profitable food business and business ideas that will blow your mind. See you in my next one.